hotel only cost me less than $50 at downtown. And join me, we'll bring you along the way. Let's go! Do you know that this hotel is run by two cute little robots? Yoshi and Yolanda. So what they do for you is they will actually bring you towels and water and also any hotel amenities that you actually need for your hotel stay to be comfortable. So at level 10, there's actually a few amenities. One of them are the gym, and also there's a pool, and there's also a public restaurant. I actually request for level 29, which is the last level that I could actually possibly ask for. And I want to have this beautiful night view, which I can see at night. This is my room, and I'm going to show you how does it look inside. Let's go. Isn't that cozy and beautiful? But before I start to show you more about this room, let me do something. I believe you actually do this when you're in a hotel, don't you? Alright, let me show you some part of this hotel first. This is on the right side of the bed. So you have a tissue, have 2 cups for coffee, 1 kettle that look like it went through something terrible. There's a phone, but doesn't seem to be able to call something. Try it. So this is the 2 USB port, 1 HDMI, 2 3-pin plug, and I think this is the lights. Yes, that's the lights. So, alright, you get 2 English breakfast, 2 green tea, some sugar with black sugar beneath it. There's 2 classic coffee. There's creamer too. What is that? Sweetener and 2 stirrer. So this, alright, I think it's a table. A safe, which normally should be inside a cabinet, but I have no idea. And alright, the fridge. So there's this foldable chair, I think. Yes, it's a foldable chair. Okay, yeah, basically what you need for table and chair. Do you know what is the cool thing about this bed? It's called smart bed. And why is it called smart bed? Let me show you. No, I'm going to show you why this bed is called smart bed. There's 2 buttons in total, which is over here. There's an up button and then there's a down button. And this is where the smart thing came. So let me show you. I'm going to press the down button now. Do you see that? Did you all see that? Do you all see what happened right now? The bed is coming down. I'm going to make it go up again. Let's go. Press up. I feel like I'm lying on the hospital bed. Now let's see what do we have around the basin. There's sanitizer, 2 toothbrush and toothpaste. What's that? I have no idea what is that for. There's, what's that? Body cleanser, body balm. Oh, there's cup underneath. Oh, hair dryer, iron. So I believe there should be a ironing board somewhere around here. Oh, yeah, I just found it. Oh, there's really an iron board. There's even an umbrella. I think it's pretty much normal for this. What is this 3D for? Anyone have any idea about it? This TV is big, it's good, it's awesome. And every morning, whenever I open up the TV, they will show me how to breathe in and breathe out. Cool. What is this two greeny thing for? Oh. Okay, more plugs. Two water, one can opener. Alright. A few hangers. Oh, ignore the chips. Oh, ignore this. Two slipper. Laundry bag. Oh, seems like there's a price for it. Wow. There's one awesome place that I should show you. The best place. Toilet. Wow. You have good view. Good view. Almost good view. If there's no reflection. So here is your toilet bowl. 2 toilet paper. 2 towel. Cool. This is how you should enjoy your toilet bowl. Let me show you. To shower. There's hair wash, conditioner, body cleanser, hot water, cold water, normal. Okay, believe this is some divider where you can choose between the top or the bottom. Now I'm going to tell you why I booked this hotel and why does it cost less than $50 for this hotel at downtown. I'm going to get myself comfortable before we start speaking, alright? So, first question. Why does this hotel cost less than $50? So, last year, I received a voucher, $100 Singapore rediscover voucher. So, what you can do with this voucher is that you are able to spend it on things like the vacations, staycations, and entertainments. So, things like USS, hotels, yeah, which I'm actually spending it on. So this hotel costs $143, I believe, is somewhere in this price range, and I booked the second tier, which is the queen size bed. That's why you see there's like 2 toothbrush and most of things are in a set in a set of pair. So they are the only rooms that you are able to choose that are higher than certain levels, just like mine, which is level 29, which is the highest. So yeah, the price range is a bit higher. So it's like the difference is roughly $10 plus compared to the first tier, which is the lower tier. Yeah, so I think it's okay if you are going to have a good view and you just spend around like maybe $10 extra. So that's how I actually get my hotel for less than $50. I spend it on this. I spend it on my staycation. So why do I choose this hotel? So I actually love to travel a lot, and I kind of miss traveling right now because of what's happening around the world. And when I'm traveling last time, I would always, or almost most of the time, I would actually choose T1 Changi Airport. So
beside is Jewel. So there's this hotel called Yotel, which is at Jewel, and I always wanted to try it because they have been famous for being a smart robotic hotel, which I've shown you just now. If you have seen Yoshi and Yolanda, yes, and these two cute robots would actually be the butler of this hotel, where they will serve you things, and I find it very cool and interesting. Yeah, so I wanted to try it, and somehow I found this hotel in Orchard, and the price is much more acceptable, and that's why I spent it on this hotel. So these are the two reasons why I choose to stay in this hotel. First of all, it's cheap, and second of all, I miss traveling, and this is how I get back that feel. So do subscribe to my channel, continue to support me, and watch me grow this channel and show you whatever I experience through my lens and my eyes. So I'll see you again in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and follow my channel. So see ya, bye.